Did you know that a UN report last year called rising noise levels a serious environmental threat to our health? In Europe alone, 48,000 new cases of noise-related coronary heart disease are reported each year. So, for residents of many countries, acoustic panels are not a luxury, but a necessary measure. Manufacturers have realized this and began to produce aesthetically pleasing models. This one, made with oak veneer, will fit perfectly in any home and office environment. The panels are fixed with glue or nails. The felt used in panels is made from recycled plastic. One of the standard options is a 1.5 by 30 by 240 cm panel that costs $86 and is suitable not only for walls and ceilings, but also for furniture such as a bed headboard. The construction industry in China is one of the best. For example, in June 2021, they built a 10-story building in about 29 hours. So, these panels for the quick installation of underfloor heating are used very often. They're also popular in the European market. According to the manufacturer, the advantages include flexibility, durability, and an array of different options for specific projects. For example, the silver version, called the CN130D, complemented with aluminium foil and a total thickness of 2.8 centimeters, heats very quickly and evenly. And the temperature is easily adjustable and can reach 45 degrees Celsius. Create your own private paradise, say the creators of LifeWall. Behind the loud slogan and beautiful name are these panels with lots of cells for plants. The minimum order is $10,000. A typical project takes 60 days and includes all stages, from sketching to installation. It allows you to transform both residential and commercial buildings, such as cafes or pool areas. This system was invented in India, and the team has successfully completed more than 300 projects. According to environmentalists, breathing the air of Delhi is like smoking 50 cigarettes a day, so the popularity of these projects is guaranteed. Our selection continues with a master who's preparing to install a low-profile shower tray. In order for the water to drain without problems, he must first raise the area. The special insert that increases the height of the tray by 90mm will come in handy. Interestingly, this simple detail is available in 7 textures and 16 colors. The decorative side panels also come in different versions. Not to mention the trays. The models in the catalog exude individuality and perfectly fit into the current trends. For example, the Nature Wave shower tray is at least 2.3 centimeters thick and compact. The minimum size is 100 by 70 centimeters. These trays are all made in Spain, a country known for its hot summers. So those who want to refresh themselves in comfort and style should check them out. Next, the fastest and easiest method of insulating a house or an apartment with styrofoam. At least that's what the authors of the video state. They offer thermal panels that can be installed without using mesh, plaster, or paint. Just glue the panels to the wall and you're good to go. You can choose from 4 types of design: marble chips, brick, wood, and stone. The work speed is excellent. A team of 3 people can insulate 200 square meters in 4 days. In addition, the panels are 5 times lighter than clinker tiles, easy for one person to carry, and can be cut with a regular knife. 1 in 3 of our customers insulate their house on their own, adds the salesman. The price for a square meter of 50mm thick panels is $15.50. This unusual system is sure to evoke nostalgia in many people. This is a window made of glass blocks. One of its main features is flexibility. It allows you to fit an exhaust hood, a ventilation system, a window leaf, or anything else into it. And it's easy to install even without advanced construction skills. The tutorial consists of only 5 steps. The manufacturer says that it's ideal for kitchens and basements. The glass lets in plenty of light, but it protects you from prying eyes and doesn't require curtains. They also offer a 10-year limited warranty, but it's up to you to decide whether the price tag of $100 for a 108 by 54 cm window justifies the benefits. This is the story of 2 companies, Stone Cycling, which manufactured eco-friendly building materials from waste, and Dry Stack, which invented a new bricklaying system. Like in a fairy tale, they met, joined forces, and delighted builders with a complete solution. Eco-friendly bricks that are laid without mortar. The idea is simple. The bricks have holes and are joined together with special inserts. The process looks like playing Lego, and the advantages are enormous. The buildings are easy to assemble and disassemble. You can work in any weather, and you save money because you don't have to buy mortar. This method makes it possible to carry out projects without special qualifications. One can read on the website of this innovative product. Although it's not exactly an innovation, the creators of this system honestly admit that they have simply perfected the dry stack method. Another Lego-like solution is this insulated concrete form system. 3 blocks are needed per square meter of wall, and each one weighs no more than 4 kilograms. The blocks can be used at temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. The formwork works like a thermos for concrete. According to the manufacturer, the walls or foundation of a house can be built without any preparatory work in 2 to 4 days by 1 or 2 people. Plus, you don't need any heavy machinery for unloading and transportation, so it can do more important tasks instead. So what are these blocks made of? It's no secret. The key material is expanded polystyrene with the addition of graphite filler. The price is about $103 per square meter. While politicians are thinking about how to curb electricity prices, people are benefiting from alternative energy sources. For example, a perfect balance between technology and aesthetics is offered by the designers of these roof tiles with built-in photovoltaic cells. By the way, even Tesla is working on similar projects. The version from Elon Musk allows you to get about 10 kilowatts from a house with an area of 185 square meters. The version on your screens also has a ventilation duct, so it's resistant to the summer heat. And if one photocell fails, it'll turn itself off and not interfere with the operation of the entire system. Reliable water drainage is required not only for individual projects, but also for the city as a whole. So, let's go to the specialists that install drainage systems, especially since not only engineers but also ecologists participated in the development of the system on your screen. The final product is so reliable that you can install 3 pipes on top of each other at once. Sediment trap devices are in charge of ecology. They will not only collect trash but also break down some pollutants. Plus, this kind of drainage is 30% more economical than similar options, not least because the components are easy to transport and install. And cleaning one trap costs only $50. On top of that, it's possible to expand the functionality of these systems with these connections. There's nothing complicated: a PVC sleeve, a rubber hose, and a stainless steel band. But it's very effective. You don't need mortar, gaskets, resins, or other things for installation. In addition, the size range offered by this manufacturer ranges from 5 to 61 centimeters. On your screen, you can see some cleverly designed chimneys from Poland. They are known as coaxial chimneys. The trick is that they have 2 separate channels. One takes away the products of combustion, and the second delivers oxygen. The advantages of this design are less problems with airing and full smoke extraction. The Polish version uses acid-resistant chromium-nickel steel, 0.4 to 0.6 mm thick. This means that the chimney can withstand temperatures up to 250 degrees Celsius and can work with gas heating boilers. The diameter ranges from 100 to 350 mm. The simple and quick installation process facilitates maintenance and makes it easier to replace any details.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.